From above, Hawaii's beauty stretches endlessly. Lush trees, volcanic terrain, the ocean in the distance. But nestled in the corners of this paradise are signs of a different reality. Tents, tarps, makeshift shelters, tucked into the brush just out of sight from the roads we travel every day. This is the island of Hawaii, my home. Over the past few days, I have been curious about where and how our homeless live here, out on the Kona side. Some are in drainage ditches, others hidden in the tall grasses along highways, or tucked behind commercial buildings. These aren't just random locations, they're survival spots. Dry when it rains, quiet, out of sight from law enforcement or passers-by. But they also come with risks: flooding, heat, isolation, and often no access to clean water or sanitation. As of the latest count, over 6,000 people in Hawaii are experiencing homelessness. Per capita, that's the highest rate in the United States. On the Big Island alone, hundreds live unsheltered, many in rural or hard-to-reach areas.
Some are kupuna, elders. Others are families with children. Many are native Hawaiian. And while causes vary, high cost of living, mental health challenges, lack of affordable housing, they all share a common reality: being priced out of paradise.
The average rent for a one-bedroom on the island is nearly $1,400 a month, while many minimum wage jobs pay just over $12 an hour. Flying above these places, I started to think, how did we get here? And more importantly, what can we do about it?
These aren't criminals or strangers. They're our neighbors, classmates, and sometimes even our friends and family. Many work. Some are veterans. Some are just one bad break away from being back under a roof. It's easy to look away, but when you're flying above it, you can't. It's all laid bare.
But there is hope. Across the islands, outreach programs are making contact, connecting people with healthcare, food, and in some cases, housing.
There are tiny home villages being built, transitional shelters, and grassroots efforts growing stronger every day.
If you're watching this and wondering what you can do, start local. Volunteer. Donate to groups like Hope Services or Neighborhood Place of Puna. Homelessness isn't just a city problem. It's here, in our forests, by our roads, along our beaches. It's in the places we drive past without noticing. Maybe these drone shots help us see things differently. From above, the crisis becomes impossible to ignore. And maybe, just maybe, that's where change begins.